Demand Metric actually just did a study not too long ago that found that content marketing costs 62% less than traditional marketing. And get this, it's actually 3 times more effective in bringing in new business and new leads. So what we need to do as landscape company owners is double down on content marketing in our social media strategy. Let's talk about the basics, what content marketing is and what it's not. So actually at its core, content marketing is what you might think it is. It's when you make something like a video, a social media post, a blog post, something along those lines that actually brings value back to your prospective customers and to the community, be it the online social media platform that they're a part of. What it's not is being that guy that all you do is post your list of services and then at the end of each one say, here's my phone number, accepting new customers now. We know you're accepting new customers, bro. That's why you're on social media. I've got 3 content marketing ideas that you can employ starting today. The first one is actually taking before and after pictures. Now that'll actually do 2 things for you. It'll actually show people what your work can do, how it can transform their space or their needs, and you can actually put it on your website as kind of like a testimonial and a way of showing people what your work is able to accomplish. The second thing you can do is actually share tips and tricks. Now, I know at the front end, this kind of sounds like you're giving away business, right? But in fact, what you're doing is you're building trust with your prospective clients and you're showcasing your own expertise. Now, something else that I like to do that's kind of a layer upon that is actually give them tips and tricks that will be foundational that they can do quickly and easily themselves so that when they're at the point of leveling up and they need you, the pro, when they call, you already have that great foundation that you coach them on in place that you can build upon. Number 3 is the fun one. It's quizzes, questions, and polls. Now, what that does is it actually gets your prospective customers to interact with you. So they're starting to have a little bit of a rapport, and you can ask them questions such as, if you could have any tree planted in your yard, what kind of tree would it be? And then list out a few that grow well in your area. What you've done is you have identified people right there who are interested in having landscaping done on their property. That's a lead. As you start implementing this amazing content marketing strategy that's going to bring you tons and tons of leads, remember that not all call to actions are created equal. You don't want to be that person that every single post says, call me, email me,
hire me now.
That's actually not going to build the business and the community that you want long term. What you want to do is have some of those sprinkled in there. That's called a hard sale. But most of them should be something like, hey, leave in the comments, blah, blah, blah. Or, hey, what do you think about thus and such? This will actually build and foster that engagement in that community rather than coming across as super, super salesy. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Catch you in the next video. God bless.